if the infotainment system is ever giving you problems, let's say Apple CarPlay is not working, the infotainment system is actually kind of frozen out on you, you can't do anything. There are a few different ways that you can reset. So under your settings, system, reset, you've got the erase all data. So that's a full factory reset. That's the last thing you want to try because that's going to wipe everything from the infotainment system and get rid of all of your settings. What you actually want to do is a soft screen reboot instead. In order to do a soft screen reset on the infotainment system, what you want to do, on your steering wheel here, you've got your little cancel button, and then you've got your page back button there as well. So you're going to push and hold both of those buttons for about 15 seconds or so. So you're just going to keep on hanging on. And what we're doing is we're trying to enter a soft reboot cycle. You have to be parked in order for this to work. So you can't be driving because it's going to reset everything. But just keep on hanging on, and eventually, you can see here, everything flashes off. Cluster screen's off, infotainment's off, etc. And what we've done is we've entered a soft reboot cycle. So it's very similar. There we go. So what we've done is we've entered a soft reboot cycle. It's very similar to you doing a restart on your phone. So what we're doing is clearing the cache out. So that should solve the majority of issues that you're facing. If that doesn't work, then the next thing that you want to try is that full factory reset. If that factory reset doesn't work, then the next thing you're going to do from there is to take it into your Polestar dealer for them to have a look and see what's going on.